Welcome to this tutorial where we'll explore how to use MeshLib in an AWS Lambda for cloud computation. MeshLib can be used for processing and analyzing 3D meshes, and by leveraging AWS Lambda, we can run code without provisioning or managing servers. Let's get started. First, we'll need to build a custom image that contains MeshLib. Step 1. Create a private ECR. Head over to the AWS Management Console, and navigate to the Elastic Container Registry. Click on Create Repository and you can leave settings as default. Step 2. Follow push commands. Now, let's push the custom image to the ECR. Since I have already prepared an EC2 instance for building the image, I will execute the Docker build and push commands. Once the push is successful, we can proceed to create a Lambda function. Go to AWS Lambda from the Services menu. Click on Create Function, select Container Image and choose the image we recently pushed to ECR. Update the architecture if needed and click on Create Function. Wait for it to be created. In the Configuration tab, let's increase the timeout to around 15 to 20 seconds to give our function enough time to execute. Now, let's add a trigger. We'll be using API Gateway with HTTP. Feel free to change the route and methods if needed. Since our Lambda function uses AWS S3, we need to attach permissions to it. Click on Permissions and add an inline policy that allows access to the necessary S3 actions. Let's test our function. Our demo Lambda input is a URL to an S3 file. We might see some errors. In this case, we need to set a custom working directory. Let's do that and rerun our test. And there we go. Check the output file to see the results. And that's how you can use MeshLib with AWS Lambda for cloud computation. This setup enables you to efficiently process 3D meshes on a scalable infrastructure. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.